Hi everyone, this is Kim Goyette, your meditation mother, coming to you live from Austin, Texas. Well, I just came off an incredible retreat weekend with a beautiful group of women. It was so elevating and the energy was so beautiful. I felt such oneness with each other, and so I thought this class would be all about developing oneness, that sense of belonging to the greater energies above. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to come to a comfortable seat. And we'll start by outstretching our arms. So palms face forward, relax the shoulders away from the ears, drag the hands back and open in a big sign of receiving all the beautiful energy around you. Take a nice deep breath into your heart center. And exhale. Good, do it again. Inhale. And exhale. This time, palms face up, thumbs drag open again. It's almost like you're putting the beautiful energy that surrounds you in your palms, and just receive that. Allow that to enter into your being. Take a nice inhale here. Start to feel the energy within the arms open up. Because when we open up our arms, we open up our heart. And release all the way down. Just notice any movement of energy within the arms, within the front body. And we'll roll the shoulders back, getting a little bit of movement here. Good. Let's take the left hand, we'll bring it across to the right knee. Bring your right hand up to your ear, elbow points out wide, and we're just gonna bend that elbow and tilt over the side, open up the side body. Feel very grounded in your right hip. And then shine your heart up to the sky, again in a sign of receiving the swirling of energy. I feel the breeze on my skin today, and it reminds me that we are all part of one big entity, one big energy. Take a deep breath here. Exhale, release, and come back to center. Let's try the other side. So take your right hand to your left knee, palm faces the ear, elbow wide, and then we'll tilt over to the side. Open up the side body, shine your heart up towards the sky in a sign of receiving. And take a nice inhale here. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale back to center and release. Good. Let's take the left hand. We're going to sweep it back behind us so that the palm faces out, and then take your right hand and clasp the left hand. If it doesn't reach, don't worry. You can grab onto the wrist or whatever feels comfortable for you. So I have my fists clasped around my back. My forearm is against my back, and I'm pressing my pelvis back and my belly back towards the arm. Roll the shoulders down and away from the ears, and then we're going to take a moment to allow our head to fall over to the right, opening up the left side of the neck. Good, and just noticing if you feel any tension or congestion in that area. Just take a deep breath here, creating space within the body to receive. Take a nice inhale, dropping the right shoulder and left shoulder down away from the ears. And coming back to center and release the hands. Pause for a moment and just notice any shift in energy in the upper body. Let's try the other side. We'll take our right hand, wrap it around the back, clasp on the fists with the left hand and wrap it. Draw your belly in, let your chest rise. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, and then tilt your head over to the side. Good, opening up the side of the neck. We often find tension here, and when we have tension, there's no space to receive. So we're opening up that space so that we can have room to receive. Take a nice inhale here. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, head back to center and relax the hands all the way down. Again, noticing any shifts in energy. So you can use the next posture with a strap if you want, or a towel in your hands, or without anything. My palms are face down, but it feels like I'm pulling on a strap. My hands are gripped. And we're gonna inhale, arms up. If you're pulling on a strap, just keep it behind your head and let the elbows go wide. Good, inhale back to center. Exhale down, good. So we're working up some movement and energy in the arms, inhaling as we go up. Exhaling, elbows wide, open up the chest. Inhale, growing tall. And then exhale down. We'll do that a few more times, warming up the shoulders. Inhale here. Exhale, nice wide elbows, pulling down. Inhale, back to center. Exhale. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, up. Exhale, elbows wide. Good, stay here. And then take a deep breath into your heart center. Expand, filling up. And just noticing that the breath that you take is the same breath that people around the entire world have taken. We're sharing breath constantly, something beautiful that we share with each other to remind us again that we are all just part of one being. Take a nice inhale here. Exhale, release the hands. Good. Pause and notice again any shifts in energy in the upper body. And if you want, you can switch your leg cross just to make it even on both sides. We'll have the palms face down again. This time we're gonna have nice wide arms. So if you're using a strap, you can slide the hands wider on the strap. And then inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms all the way behind us. Yes, good. So we're going around in a circle, really opening up the shoulder. Inhale up and exhale down. So if you're holding onto a strap, get your hands as wide as they need to go around in a circle. Inhale and out. Good. Inhale up and exhale. We're going to flow with this for a little bit. Inhale, growing tall. Exhale here. Good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Two more like this. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Last one. Inhale up. And exhale. Stay here. So if you have a strap, grab on and pull in opposite directions. Lift your chest, opening up the heart. Take a nice inhale into your heart space. And exhale. Good. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, release all the way down. Excellent. We can put the strap to the side if you have one. Come to laying flat on your back. So you can come to the center of your mat, grab onto the thighs, and slowly lower all the way down. From here, lengthen the legs down below and get your feet nice and wide off the edges of the mat. We're going to take our right leg and bring it alongside the left leg. And if you want, you can take your right ankle and cross it over the left ankle. Take your left hand and slide it down. Your left shoulder blade slides down. Your right shoulder blade comes up, and we're starting to make a banana shape with the body. If you'd like, you can sweep that right arm overhead and just expose your armpit up to the sky. And then we're going to start to use our breath to flow within the body, just noticing that continuous ebb and flow of the breath. So from the right foot, inhale all the way up the side body, up to the fingertips, and on an exhale, back down. Good. Just noticing within your own body the expansion and contraction. Inhale here. And exhale. Let's try one more time. Inhale. Hold at the top of the breath, the energy moving out the fingers, and then returning the energy back down. Good. Release the arms. Separate the feet from right to left, and then center the hips, and just pause for a moment, noticing any differences from right to left. And let's bring the left leg alongside the right leg this time, and if you'd like, you can cross the ankle over. Drop that right shoulder down, left shoulder up, start to make a C shape with the body, and then sweep the left arm overhead this time, exposing the armpit. From your left ankle, inhale all the way up through the left fingertip. Exhale back down. Good. Do it again. Inhale. And exhale. Just noticing the expansion and contraction. One more time. And exhale. Slowly release the arm all the way down. Bring your shoulder blades back to center. And then extend both legs. Starting to move into Shavasana. Arms are along your side. And this time we're going to close the eyes and really feel the support of the earth below us. And as we breathe in, just drawing the energy of the earth up through the body. And as we exhale, that exchange of energy goes back down into the earth. We're just noticing the connection of you, your body, with Mother Earth, and then on an exhale, giving back that energy. And just a few more breaths, feeling fully supported because we are part of the same. And start to move the fingers and toes, the ankles and wrists. And we'll hug the knees into the chest. Roll over to one side, make our way all the way up to seated. So we're going to finish with a little bit of breath work. We'll start by rubbing our hands together, so we'll get a lot of energy within our hands. Feeling a little bit of warmth created there. And then when you're ready, just placing the palms face down on your heart, one on top of the other. Gently close the eyes, relax the elbows down. And just noticing that energy. And as we inhale, drawing the energy into our heart. And as we exhale, giving the energy back out to the universe from our heart center. Inhale, drawing the energy of the universe into our heart. And then exhaling, giving that energy back out. It's just a continuous exchange. Continue that breath a few more times. Start to relax your concentration. We'll bring the hands to heart center. Take a moment to bow the mind to the heart and thank yourself for bringing awareness to the idea of oneness, that we are all one. We're all small parts of a bigger entity, a bigger energy. And therefore we can begin to respect each other, because when we do so, we respect ourselves. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. And if you'd like to join us for a 21-day yoga challenge, please visit my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.